afternoon, Tajis, and good afternoon, everyone. Here, my name is Tajis. I'm a student from Tukir 1D. My topic is volunteering. Volunteering means helping others without asking for money, paper, without volunteer in many places like school, hospital, and animal shelter. Kids can help by picking up trash, reading to younger children, or helping a friend. Volunteering teach us to be kind and work as a team. It also makes us feel good because we are doing something nice. With we volunteer, we have made the world a better place. Every small made of help count. We can all be volunteer in our way. Volunteering is a wonderful way to show love and care to others. Thank you, that is teacher, and thank you everyone here.